Well, the past year has certainly given us a lot to think about, and for some people that means taking on a new career, trying a new endeavor. And this morning we're fortunate enough to be joined by our friend Julie Smith. Julie is really a guru when it comes to the entrepreneurial world. And so I want to start by asking you about Monday's competition that was taking place in Girard, and it was a youth entrepreneurial competition, but what was it like, and are there other ones coming up in case somebody missed that one?
Sure. So Monday we hosted a Trojan Entrepreneurial Challenge at Girard High School. And this is a competition with high school students just in the Girard district where they come up with a business, they develop a business plan, do a four-minute presentation in front of judges that includes question and answering, and then also set up a trade show display at the school. So each of those parts are judged individually. And then we gave away top 4 out of 11 teams that participated in $1,900 in actual prize money cash for some high school kids.
What kind of projects are we seeing at these? I know we heard about our winner on Monday, but I mean, give me some examples of these projects and what people need to do to get those projects ready for these competitions.
Well, there is a huge variety of projects that we see at the high school level. So at our competition in Girard, we saw everything from the winner who was making products on a 3D printer to a group that was doing some had a mobile pet grooming service, also a photographer, a student that was doing trapping of like live animals. What I love is that a student can have whatever their passion is, take that and turn it into a business, and that seems to be the most successful for sure.
When it comes to adults and being able to take on a new career change or being able to have a side business or maybe just doing something for fun, I mean, what are the different resources or grants or opportunities available to people over the age of 18?
Well, that's something that I would really like to visit with and encourage anyone that's looking to become an entrepreneur to start their own business, is to just start networking. So there's resources within every local community at the chamber level. SPDC at Pittsburgh State covers our entire region, and they do classes for how to start a business as well as business coaching for entrepreneurs. So if someone has an idea, they can go to the Small Business Development Center and talk one-on-one with them and check out the competition and have some professional resources. And then obviously bankers are always very involved in those type of endeavors when it comes to funding. So I think just being connected and reaching out to all of your resources, which includes, K-State Research and Extension as well. There's plenty of resources in the community for someone wanting to start a business. So they're definitely not at it alone.
Julie, I came up with so many random inventions throughout the past year just out of pure boredom. So at some point we might have to have you back on the morning show to sort of rate and review and give me some advice on these ideas so I don't take them too far.
All right, well, let's not do that live, okay?
Very fair. Hey, really appreciate you being here. We're going to have all this information on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. It's Wildcat Wednesday. We'll be right back on the KOA Morning News right after this.